Well, hello. How are you? Come on in. What are we doing today? We believe that all children can learn math. And so what we're trying to do is get more and more people to try to use a technique for all children, even children with special needs, to be able to add and subtract and even do some geometric kind of stuff. Today, on our line of information that we have, our matrix, we're moving away from our simple level addition math here. Looks like this. And we're going to do simple addition and so forth. To do that, we're going to follow a series of steps that we've put together, which will be available for you on teaching children with special needs math. The first thing we believe in is that you need to have hands-on learning. It is the best approach. By that we mean that we need to have manipulatives, things that the child can use to help them be able to add and subtract. And today we're just doing addition. The second concept that we believe is practice and practice and practice makes for good, better success. We're not talking about just rote memorization. We're talking about manipulating and trying it in various different ways. In other words, our concept 3 says different approaches to the same problem are an important strategy. So, what we have here are some examples of manipulative devices. We're going to use this one, but let's start with these here, which are called Cuisinier rods, which were invented by a teacher in Belgium and introduced in the 1950s in the United States. And essentially what he had was colored rods to teach concepts from 1 to 10, and being able to have the children understand that if they put 2 together, whatever that is, they end up being able to figure out, oh, that's not big enough, but look here, oh, 2 yellows make an orange off of that. So this is a manipulative device, and these are called Cuisinier rods again, and you can buy these at a lot of teacher stores. If you don't have the money and you don't want to do that, you can make your own rods by just going someplace and getting colored ones, and you could just put them together so that you would have like 2 yellows might make one concept. That's number 2. And then here's 3. Or we could do 4, whatever you wanted to have with your orange ones. Here's 1 white, 1 black, and you can have 3 reds. And you can do the same thing by building your own rods that were manipulated, that the child can hook together and make the numbers rather than using the rods. I'm going to put these aside for right now. But this is the one we're going to sort of demonstrate with you, the approach that we have. And it's called Math You See. And the kit, you can buy the little objects. And as you can see from this set here, they have little blue is for 5 numbers, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so you have little dots off of it, and you have 3 over here. And so what we did was we used an old tackle box for fishing and put 1 in here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that the child has to be able to sort them out. And we say, well, here's a 4, so they can just reach in and get a 4, or a 5 and reach in and get those. One of the first steps we also need to have, you can also have magnetic letters like this, or you can use a number line, whichever approach you want to use to have the child sort of track along. On a number line, we put dots underneath. So if we have, for example, 4 plus 2, the child would put their finger on the 4 dot and go up to 1, 2, and that is a 6. Or we can have the use this over here and end up with 6. And we're going to show you how that works in a minute. So the first step that we try to do with the child according to our instruction sheet here, is to have them just manipulate the objects and have some sort of fun with them. So what we're going to do is have the child come in and take out just a few of these and see if we can have her do them from the littlest one to the biggest one. And then we'll start looking at these in here. The second step is to have a simple little math problem. What we try to do is never at the beginning here use anything that's going to go above 4 for right now when we first do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're only going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on here. So what she's adding things because we want the child to be able to grasp this concept. And you should use math terms like, for an example, you say, we're going to add these 2 blocks together here. We're going, but use terms that the child can use. So we could say like, you know, put these 2 blocks together here. We're going to make a longer train with them. And then have her count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what you're going to find is typically a lot of the kids that we work with special needs, they go 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. And they quit. So what we found is that if we use a whiteboard marker and have them touch each one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They can see the ones they touched and we get a better sequencing. Then all you need to have is some kind of a wet wipe and you can just erase it like this and you have, they're all gone, which is really a nice add-on because you'll watch. And this little girl, I guarantee you, she's going to go 1, 2, 3, 9 and skip a whole lot of numbers. And we'll do that with this here. Okay, so we're going to start with adding just numbers like up to 4. All the combinations like that. So let's go get our girl and see how she does for us. Okay, the first thing I want you to do for me is take all these things here. And let's put this number 1 over here. Okay. And then see if you can find which one is the next biggest one. Can we look at them and try to get them to go from the smallest to the biggest? Like, for an example, here's a small one, right? So we need the next biggest one, which is 2. Which one has just 2 on it, please?
Hi.
You ready? 2, 2, 2, 2, please. 2, 2, 2, please.
What is it?
Oh, I see. We don't have a 3 in here, do we? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. What did I ask you to do for me? I want you to find the one that has just 2. Thank you. Put it right here next to it. See, it's going to grow.
Oh.
Then what comes next?
Ah.
No. 1, 1, 2. Then we need a 3.
Okay.
Find the 3.
Oh, there it is.
There it is.
We missed a 3.
Okay, so put the 3 in there. What comes after 3? Well, we're going to build a tower. See, we're making steps. 1, 2, 3. What goes next? 4, 4, 4. Find a 4. Which one has 4 on it?
This.
Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, put it on there. Okay, you ready? What comes after 4? Got to get a taller one now. What comes after 4? 5.
5.
How many think that? You think that's 5?
No.
No. See if you can find a 5. How many think's on there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Try a 5. Ah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, put it next to the yellow one. Look, they're getting bigger. Okay, what comes after 5? What comes after 5?
6.
Okay, which one do you think of these is 6? Ow! That's 10. Find 6 for me, please. Find 6 for me, please.
This.
Try and count it. Let's put it on there, see if it fits. Do we have another step? Yes! See?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we need a 7.
All right.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You got it? Okay. All right. So I'm going to put these away.
Okay.
All right. So what comes after 7?
6.
8.
8.
Uh-oh. I don't think we have 8 here either, so let's find our 8. There it is. We'll just put that on there for you, 8. You know what?
What?
We're running out of room, aren't we? Because we should have started down there. We're going to go ahead and finish these for us. There's 9, and the big blue one is 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you some questions about this one.
Okay.
Which color is 1?
Green.
Which color is 10?
Blue.
Which color is pink?
Well, missing something.
How many numbers is pink?
1, 2, 3.
What? How many numbers is brown?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I thought this was
Brown.
what color? How many numbers are brown? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8.
Yes.
Got that figured out? Okay. How many? What number is 5? What color is blue?
Blue.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Okay. What number is purple?
6.
6. What number is this?
Light blue.
What number is it?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.
9. You got it. Okay. All right. Now, here's what I want you to do. See? Look over here. You're whistling today. Excellent. Okay. There's the number 1. Here's number 2. See, that's orange.
Okay.
There's 3, pink. What's 4?
Yellow.
What's 5? Blue.
Blue.
What's
That's
6?
light blue.
That's correct. Purple.
That's not blue. That's blue. That's
Okay.
blue right there.
Okay, there's dark blue. That's 10, right?
Right.
Okay. What's brown? 9.
9.
And what's 10? I mean 9. 8, 9. Ah! Dr. Tom,
8.
Dr. Tom. Ah. Okay. So here's our numbers. Here.
Okay.
We're going to add some numbers together here.
Okay. Okay.
But you know what we're going to do? We're going to sort of like make them a longer train. See, so if we have a longer train, we put that one over there. And we're going to add them. You have to put it on the end and make a long train. Okay. How many do you have there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait a minute. I need a marker over here. Okay. Will you help me count them with the marker?
Yeah.
Touch each dot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many are there?
5.
Show me that number. Oops, not up there. I took it away. There it is.
Sorry.
Where's number 5? Excellent. Can you find that on there? Where's number 5 on that line there? Where's number 5?
I didn't see number 5. Oh, there it is. Right there.
Okay, very good. So now looky here. Would you put your finger on number 3? Oh, you want me to wipe that off? We can
Yeah.
take it away. Here we go. Say goodbye to it.
5.
There, it's all gone. All gone. Okay, let's put our 5 over here. Again, now.
1, 2, 3.
Excuse me. Put your left hand.
3, 4, 5.
See, here's number 3. So put 3 over there with this hand. Point there. Point there. There's 3. Now we're going to add 2 more. Go 1,
1,
2.
2.
So how many did we have?
2.
So we had 3 and 2 more makes?
I'm tired.
Okay, so let me ask you to help me do a problem here.
Okay.
Let's get a piece of paper here.
Okay.
So the other thing is that we talk about in here is that we should do left to right numbers first and then top down. So here we go. We're going to do the one that we just did. 3 plus 2 equals how many? 3 plus 2 is how many?
1, 2, 3.
Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Find that number. Put it down here. Okay? And now let's write it. Write it in your square.
How do you do?
Over here. Perfect. Perfect. Put your 5 back again. Put these 2 away, please.
Doink.
Donk. Okay, very good. Let's try another number here now.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to do 4
Okay.
plus 1 is how many? Okay, can you find a 4?
Yes.
No, over here, 4. Excuse me, find the 4.
Where's 4?
Where's 4? Look at here, look at your numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh,
Okay, how many are you adding to it?
please wash it off.
Yeah, we'll have to wipe them off, won't we? I don't know if this one come off or not. See, that's been on there a long, long, long time. So let's use another one here for you, okay? There. Now, what are you adding to it?
1.
1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are you going to make a long train?
Okay. Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Barky doink.
There you go. You want to use the marker to count them?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Find that number up there, please. Find the number. Put it here in your box. And let's write it again. Look at this. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Hold on for a second. This is interesting. Look at here. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5.
Yeah.
They're both 5s.
Yeah.
Awesomator. Can you put that back? Where'd they go?
Now, wait a minute.
Wow. Okay. Now, you know what?
Wait
You're
a
doing so
minute.
well. Can we try a big number?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to try a big number here.
Alright. Sorry,
Here we go.
I didn't make it wait.
5 plus 3
Oh,
equals...
goodness, Star Tom. You just making being funny faces.
Can you do a 5 plus a 3?
What's the marker? I need a mark.
Well, we got to find 5 first.
5 plus 5 is 6.
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3.
1, 2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5. It's 5.
Take it out. Take out the 5. Put it on here, please.
Okay.
You got to make a long train. Okay, what are you going to add to it? Well, how many are you adding to it?
Tired.
How many are you adding to it?
3.
Find a 3. Okay. You ready?
Oh.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Got to wipe them off as soon as we're done with it, don't we? So what was that number? What's 5 plus 3?
It's 5.
No. What did you count?
1, 2.
Did you forget?
No.
Let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8.
It's 8. How do you make it 8? Excellent, excellent. You know, one of the things that it's hard for kids to be able to do is not count all the way through. So we're going to try to have her do one more, and this time we're going to have her start counting from just one more second. We're almost done here, okay?
Okay.
I want you to add 4 plus 3, and let's see what we have. Okay? Give me the number 4. Out in here, ma'am. We're putting them on the red chain. We're making a train. 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, yes, thank you.
No,
now let's get
that's
that one there. This one here. Okay, now what's the next number?
3.
Find it, please. Find it, please.
Give me 3.
Gimme, gimme.
Gimme.
Okay. So now this time, we're not going to start counting the yellow ones. We're going to, how many was yellow? How many was yellow?
4.
4. So let's start counting from 4.
Okay.
4.
5, 6, 7.
Oh, whoa, that went so well. That took a long time for her to be able to do that. To go from 4 and just add on to that.
Yeah.
Sometimes we use our number line to teach that. What was it? What's 4 plus 3?
It's 4.
4
Plus
5.
5, 6, 7.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so that's the way we start. Now we could just go ahead and do an up-down number and see if she can solve it all by herself. We have these to do.
I want to drink.
And then we'll get you a drink, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
I want you drink.
The other thing is that off of this is we try to teach to start with the big number first, but we'll see how she does. You ready? You're on your own. Do those. 4 plus 2 and 1 plus 3.
Okay.
Okay, what are you going to do first?
1. God, this nose. Give me 2.
Why do you want 2? Which problem are you solving? This one or this one?
This one.
Okay, then why do you want a 1?
Because
You don't need a 1. What do you need?
2.
2. What else do you need? What's this?
4. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Okay, put those away. She just taught
Wait a
us.
minute.
She just taught us an association rule.
Wait
It didn't
a
matter whether you go
minute.
right to left or left to right. Okay, now do this one.
Wait a minute.
What? I'm waiting.
Okay.
Can we do this one? Then
Yes.
get a drink. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Do this one, then get a drink.
We're almost done.
Yes.
Okay.
If you could do this one.
Alright, I want to do this.
All right, do it, do it, do it.
I'm going to sit on this.
Okay. All right.
3
3.
and 2.
Wait a minute. There's no 2 in that problem.
Wait a minute.
What is this problem? Read it to me.
1 plus 3,
Here's the 3. What do you need to add to it?
4.
What do you need to add?
1.
1. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4. Silly.
Silly.
It's 4.
You gonna write left-handed?
I don't know.
Thank
Wait
you.
a minute.
Thank you. Okay.
Wait a minute.
Put those away. Put those away.
Wait a minute. Oopsie, it went by itself.
Okay, you did very well. Whew. Wow, that was excellent. The next time you come back, we'll have to do takeaways, subtractions.
Okay.
Okay? Now you can go get a drink.
Okay.
All right. To end up with this, what we're trying to talk about is teaching the concept of addition and subtraction to children with special needs. And so the first step that we did here was use manipulative devices, and in this one we used a program that's called Matthew C, which you can go online and have all these different little shapes that you can have the child manipulate. You saw how we adapted them, putting them in here, the kit, and had her use the marker. 2 or 3 times, if you didn't notice, she was not counting with her finger, but this little marker really helped her, and then we could just wipe them off. The other ones that we showed you did not have these. They have to just learn what that color means. And that's one of the things that Cuisinart tries to teach you is that, oh, the green is a 1, the orange is a 2, like that. But what we find is it's easier to just use those that they can touch them. And it's so funny because at the end here, on one of the problems, the 4 plus 1, she knew the answer. She just said 5. She didn't have to touch it. She just said 5. Yes! So she's already moving into the addition problems. So the idea is to have the child use reasoning skills and using manipulatives to be able to do addition. We believe that all the kids that we work with, no matter who they are, can do addition and subtraction. We tried to stay within the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 range, but as you saw, that we could actually take her up to 8, 9, and 10. The next big step is doing 11, 12, 13 with 2 columns. That's really hard. We recommend that you don't go there until the child is able to then do subtractions. So if the child can add up to 10, stop, try to do takeaways and subtractions, and that's what we'll do the next time off of it. So, learning math is a hard concept for kids, but with manipulatives, they can do it easily. All right, well, we had a good day today. It was nice to see you. Have a good one. Come back again, please. Bye.